I think is very clear. The weakness in the whole ecosystem is the gateways. It's not manufacturers who build at scale stuff. It's the gateways between systems. Nobody really builds those at scale. So a native input on a control system to connect a KNX system, HVAC, lighting, blinds, is the ideal way, and that doesn't exist yet. No control company has seen the light. So in the meantime, what we recommend is that there's IP addressing in everything that is done in KNX, and any control system. Disclaimer, we are Snap One, we deal with Control 4, but I think it goes for all control systems, can then deal with the complexity of scenes, the user interface in the control system.
Yeah.
For me, the sum of all that is home automation, but it comes from our experience with KNX installers that have a very clear view on how to deliver great systems to end users. That's the origin. It's the installer who does a great job,
Absolutely.
not the product.
Absolutely.
So that's how we see it.